Hi everyone! In this guide, I'll walk you through how to download and install Bluestacks 10 on a Windows 10 computer. By the end, you'll have the emulator ready to run Android apps on your PC. First, open your web browser and go to the official Bluestacks website. Make sure you're on the real site to avoid unsafe downloads. On the homepage, click the download button for Bluestacks 10. The installer file will begin downloading automatically. Once the file has finished downloading, open it to start the setup. A window will appear with the option to install. Click Install and wait a few minutes for Bluestacks 10 to finish setting up. The time will depend on your internet speed and system performance. After the installation is done, click Finish to launch Bluestacks. On first launch, you may need to sign in with your Google account to access the Play Store. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Bluestacks 10 on Windows 10. Now you can enjoy Android games and apps right on your computer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.